Okay, in my last video, I showed my wife and I, what we got, the new Coleman pancake air compressor with the 3 nail guns. This is a DEWALT table saw with the stand. So I'm going to go and unbox this. I got this at the same time at the same place at Lowe's. Like I said in that other video, I like to buy my stuff at Lowe's because they do actually give a good military discount. And on big ticket items, I don't mind using that. So here we go.
And it was on sale.
It was on sale for end of year as well, yes. I like buying things on sale. Okay, so looks like this tails.
Some help?
Yeah, no, here's the table saw.
That's the stand in the box.
And they say that these are actually, they say that this is something you can carry. I don't know about all that.
You want me to help you, though?
Just gonna lay it out. Give me a second.
You can staple that box back together if you wanted to.
So, I typically don't save my boxes.
You should.
I hadn't in the past, but I have started to save them now.
You have 1 year to return it if it goes bad.
But okay. Looks like the wrench tools, wrenches for the table saw, and the guide so far. And then we're going to have more. And this should be the, I believe, the fence that you use. I probably won't put it completely together here, but I will set it up. Because like I said earlier, we got rain. Okay. So it's packaged real well. And everything that you have, when you store this, it's actually able to be stored on the saw. So, okay, we're going to open this box. And they have the manual for it that I'm not using yet. Maybe I'll use it later.
Time lapse it.
Sure.
I don't know how to do that. I don't have to do it.
Alright, so right now what you should be seeing is me struggling to put the table saw table together and mount the table saw on it. Unfortunately, either the camera operator, me, or the camera itself malfunctioned. Didn't catch any of that. Here it is put together. The next portion of this video will be explaining why it took me as long as it did. So I figured I would go ahead and let you guys know. Unfortunately, I don't have any of that footage. But anyhow, we'll go to that portion of the video now. Alright, so that took a little while. Like any other piece of machinery you get, they send you 2 tools, the infamous Allen wrench, and this little teeny wrench that does hardly nothing when you want to tighten down real good. The instructions to put the stand together suck. I don't know what else to put for that, but it was not easy. They don't really have good pictures. They don't have a list of all parts that tell you what bolt A, bolt B, bolt C, nut, whatever look like. And they don't give you a clear view of how they want the bolts to go in. You just kind of have to make an educated guess and hope you get it right. So, anyhow, these are of course the tools for the saw blade to change it out, to put other pieces in. I got 2 extra bolts for I don't know what. It says tool and frame, but I don't know where I'm supposed to be looking on the tool and frame because I'm done. I'll go ahead and I mean it's not that difficult once you get it together. To move it, but yeah, it is a bit of a pain to put together. So let's try this. All you do is you take it back. That's a kickstand. These are press in. They lock in place pretty much. These just pull. And there you go. Portable table saw. So, not too bad. I've got to obviously roll up my electrical cord. The fence is right here. I don't know if I like this that much, but it does work. I believe this will be for close-in fence work. You can't really move it that much doing it this way, but you lock it in place. I don't know, really. We'll see how that works out. Then you flip it over. Let's see if I do it right. Of course, if you read the directions, it probably works out better. I haven't done that yet. I probably should at some point. But you just hook it on. There it is. That flips over. Has places that you store things. The rip guard. There's the push tool, push through, so you don't cut your fingers off, which I'm told I need to use for some reason. But let's go ahead and wrap this cord up real quick. I'll show you how simple this should be to tote it around a little bit. And I'll start using it here real soon. I have things to do. Okay. Gotta tell you, a lot better than carrying it. And you can store it upright out of the way. I like that part of it a lot. So, until I start really using this thing, that's pretty much it for today. If you have one of these, and of course, this is I just bought it, a DEWALT DWE 7491. If you've used it before, let me know what you think about it. I'm gonna put it to good use, see how it goes. I'll do a review later. So, I mean, my shop tools are pretty much coming together. It's not going to tip backwards. I like that. And it's out of my way. So, as you can tell, I don't have a lot of room left in here. Maybe one of these days I'll clean it out. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.
We'll leave a link to where to purchase it down in the show more notes.